Hi friends, and welcome back to another lesson with me. We're back at it again with verbs. So before we get into this activity and this new lesson on verbs, let's look at what we did previously. What is a verb? Do you remember what a verb is? That's right, a doing word, an action word. Then we went over onto action verbs. Do you remember what an action verb is? That's right, it tells you how the verb is being done. And then we had a helping verb. Do you remember what a helping verb is? That's right. A helping verb comes before the main verb and it helps the verb show action. So examples of three of them would be a verb is run, and then an action verb would be runs. And then a helping verb would be am. Awesome. Let's get into our new lesson today. Today we're focusing on past tense with verbs. Today I'm going to show you how a verb and the tense it is in can change whether a sentence is present, past, or future tense. So I have two sentences and we are going to choose between A and B which sentence is past tense. And then we're going to look at why is it past tense. Let's get started. A, 1A. Jacob will carry my bag. Let's look at that again. Jacob will carry my bag. Then we have B, they raced to the corner. Let's say that again. They raced to the corner. Out of A and B, which sentence do you think is our past tense sentence? That's right, it is B. Why is it B? Let's look at our first sentence. We have carry, which is our main verb. That means will is our helping verb. But you see, will makes it future tense. So now carry, if it was just Jacob carries my bag, that makes it present tense. But because we have will before carry, that means it is going to happen, which now changes the tense of the whole sentence. Our helping verb is what changed the tense of the sentence. Then we have B. They raced to the corner. Our key point is ED, raced. It is telling you that it is something that had happened. So if it was just they raced to the corner, that would be present tense. But because we have ED, it turns it into past tense. Awesome. Let's look at number 2. A. She steps over the rock. B. I loved the gift. Let's say that again. She steps over the rock. B. I loved the gift. Which of these two sentences do you think is past tense? That's right, B is our past tense sentence. Now let's look at why. She steps. This S at the end makes it present. She steps over the rock. This is in present tense, whereas we have I loved the gift. ED automatically puts it in past tense because love means it happened. So she did love the gift, which means this is past tense. And what type of verb do you think steps is? That's right, an action verb because it is telling you how it's being done. So she is stepping, steps. Awesome. Let's look at our last question. Number 3, B. Mom warmed the milk. Let's say that again. Mom warmed the milk. B. They will cross the river. Let's say that again. They will cross the river. So, out of A and B, which sentence do you think is in past tense? That's right, it's A. And let's look at why. Mom warmed the milk. Warmed, ED, meaning that it had happened, so it happened before, making it past tense. Then we have B. They will cross this river. Will, our helping verb before our main verb, turns the sentence into future tense. Will cross, which means it can't be past tense. Awesome, guys. Thank you so much for joining me on this lesson with verbs. See you again next time. Bye.